Okay, question this one. 1.14. I've just taken up the sum. It is of 3 years plus. इसमें ना data is very haphazardly given, so you have to rearrange it. XY company took a contract for 15 lakhs, so this is the contract price. Okay, this is the contract price. Don't see it as CP means cost price. Huh? Yeah, so I'm writing it. This is the contract price. On an arrangement that 80% of the value of the work done as certified by the architect of the contractee should be paid immediately and the remaining 20% be retained, that is retention money, until the contract is completed. It doesn't make a big deal. I just know that I have to pay 80%. Okay, I should be paying it immediately. बस इतना पता है after reading this line. So what does it indicate? Cash received is 80% of work certified. Okay. See, it's clearly given. 80% of the work done as certified. Okay. Next, 2003. Yeah, see, this is the first year, 2030. Material 1 lakh 80, wages 1 lakh 70, carriage 6,000, cartage 1,000, sundry expense 3,000. This all will be debit. Clear? Yes. Work was certified for, okay, this will be credit. So work certified is given and 80% of this was agreed as payment. Anyways, this sentence is here. Same line. Okay, yeah. Now 2014. 2014 में material is 2 lakh 20, wages is 2 lakh 30, carriage is 23,000, cartage is 2,000, sundry expense 4,000. Everything will be debit. 3/4 of the contract was certified as uh, done by 31st December 2005. Okay, fine. So 3/4 of the contract is certified. Okay, and and the value of unused WIP is this. That means work uncertified is 20,000. Okay, and how will I calculate this 3/4? 3/4 of contract price is how much? 15 lakhs. So calculate 15 lakhs ka 3 divided by 4 is how much? 11 lakh 25. So this is my works certified. 11 lakh 25,000. Clear? Up till here, is it clear? Understood? Okay, just acknowledge it in the chat box. Is this clear till here to everyone? Okay, fine. Thanks, Shreyas, Samudha, Aditi, Swapnil, Khushi. Okay, thank you. Ravindra. Okay, okay, fine. Now going to the next year, 2015. 3 साल का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है ठीक है अमाउंट्स वर मटेरियल 1,26,000 wages 1,70,000 cartage 6,000 sundry expense 3,000 sub debit as on 30th June the whole contract was completed. Okay, fine. Show how the contract account also contractee account will appear for each of these years. Okay, anyways, by default even I am teaching you the same thing. I told you when you're practicing contract costing, practice with all these three ledgers: contract, contractee, and P&L also, don't forget that. And assuming that balance due to him was received on completion of the contract. Okay, this is the same thing what we do. Okay, balance sheet extract भी हम बनाएंगे. I will teach you the whole process. Okay, so start. Yeah, start. Make this in the books of contractor, contract account. I'll first show you the debit side students. Yeah, sure. Record it. Yeah. Leave the first three lines for opening, closing WIP. First year may obviously, since it's your first year, there will be no opening WIP. So dash. Okay. In the books of contractor, first contractor. Yeah. So raw material consumed 1,80,000, 2,20,000, 1,26,000. Okay, write it simultaneously. Yeah. First year is 2013, second year is 2014, and third year is 2015. Direct wages 1,70,000, 2,30,000, and 1,70,000. Next, carriage 6,000 and 23,000. In the last year, nothing. So dash. Then cartage 1,000, 2,000, and 6,000. Then sundry expense 3,000, 4,000, and 3,000. Okay, so these are all my expenses related to the contract. Okay, fine. Next, come to the credit side. First year, closing WIP 3,75,000. There is no work uncertified in the first year, so put a dash. Okay. Second year, work certified 11,25,000. Yeah, Radha, yeah, you have to be quick, dear. Yeah. Yeah. 11,25,000 closing WIP, work certified, and work uncertified 20,000. Okay. 11,25,000, I just showed you how to calculate. Okay. They had given work certified for the year 2014 is how much? 3/4 of the contract. So how much is contract? 15 lakhs per 3/4. Okay. Then this closing WIP of the first year will become opening WIP for the second year. Okay. And this closing WIP of second year will become opening WIP of the third year. Okay, don't forget this. Okay, like this. Okay. First year closing will become second year opening, and second year closing will become third year opening. Okay. So make a note of that. And third year may there will be no closing because third year is your last year. That year you will complete your contract. So what is the assumption? That full money is received from the contractee. Full amount of contract price. What is the journal entry for that? Contractee account debit to contract account. Okay, in the last year. So my last year is 2015. Okay. In this question, the very important element, plant depreciation related to plant, is not there. Okay. So done till here. Yeah. If you're done till here, then first close the year 2013, see the balance, and take it to, treat it as notional profit. Done till here, everyone? Acknowledge in the chat box. First year is calculated. First year notional profit. Okay. Thanks, Sanya, Samita. Okay. खुशी, नंदिनी, थैंक यू डियर. ठीक है, ये हो गया. तो फर्स्ट ईयर. So now when you close the ledger, close as per the year. हाँ, पहले फर्स्ट ईयर क्लोज करो, उसको बैलेंस को कैलकुलेट करो, फिर see it is in which range, and then only step to the next year. Okay, when you're doing the closing, don't do it simultaneously. Yeah, but when you write the entries debit and credit, that you can do simultaneously, obviously, because the figures are not going to change. So I got notional profit in my first year, 2013. Okay, 15,000 ka notional profit. So once I'm getting notional profit, you all know what to do, right? We have to now check whether, what is the percentage work certified. Okay, so do this working note right here. Calculation of percentage of work certified for the first year only. Okay, so my work certified is how much? 3,75,000 divided by my contract price, 15 lakhs into 100. So my answer is exactly 25%. Okay, exactly 25%. So what is the range? First range is what? Pay attention. Huh? First range is 0 to less than 25. Less than. Huh? Second range is what? Greater than equal to 25 but less than 50. So greater than equal to. So now I fall in the second range, not first. Okay, yeah, many students will do that mistake of falling in the second range. No, greater than equal to 25 and less than 50, so it falls in the second range. Am I clear? Samajh mein aaya? Okay. So PNL account formula is what? As per the second range, 1/3 into notional profit into cash received upon work certified. Okay, yeah. Yesterday only I taught you the shortcut. Yeah, no need to calculate cash received work certified alag se. You can directly take the percentage. This you can do only when percentage is given. Huh? Otherwise, you cannot do this. Otherwise, if cash received is given, then you have to substitute it in the formula and write it accordingly. But अगर ये shortcut दिया है question में, तो you can use this technique. Okay. Yeah. So 15,000 is my notional profit divided by 3 into 80%. So my answer is 4,000. So 4,000 will go to my PNL account. Okay. And what does the rule say? Accounting standard 7, balance will go to reserves. Okay. Okay. Take it to the, yeah. So this 2 notional profit carried down will become here by notional profit brought down. Yeah, don't forget that. Then close your first year. This is 4,000 we just got, and balance will go to reserves. So 15,000 minus 4,000, balance is 11,000 will go to reserves. Okay. Right? Yeah, Aradhya, I will be sending that. Don't worry. Fine? Yeah. So my first year is clear. This 11,000 closing of 2013 reserves will become opening in the year 2014. Yaad hai na? Yeah, yesterday's sum also we did. Closing this 11,000 will become opening in the first year of 2014 by opening balance of reserves. Okay? Yeah. So now let us come to the calculation. 2014 को हम close करेंगे 11,25,000 plus 20,000 plus 11,000. So my answer is 11,56,000. Let us check पहले which side is more. 11,56,000. Okay. Shreyas, okay. 3 lakh to balancing figure for second year. Notional profit is 3 lakh to Aditi. Shreyas. Okay, very good. Nice. Okay. So second year, let me check. Yeah. Debit side, 3 lakh 3 lakh 75 plus 2 lakh 20 plus 23,000, 2 lakh 30 plus 23,000 plus 2,000 plus 4,000. So this side is 8 lakh 54 minus this side is 11 lakh 56 minus 11 lakh 56. Yeah, good. Answer is 3 lakh 2. Great. Three lakh 2,000. ठीक है, बॉक्स कर दो. Okay. Yeah. So right here, 3 lakh 2,000. Check the range. Range भी check करो. Second year. I'm writing it here only. Okay. I'm not repeating the steps again. Second year. Yeah. My work certified is 11 lakh 25,000. Okay. My contract price is obviously 15 lakhs into 100. Okay. So 11 lakh 25,000 divided by 15 lakhs into 100. So 75% is my answer. So 75% means I fall in which range? Yeah. Third range. Greater than equal to 50 but less than 100. So PNL account is equal to 2/3. 2 by 3 into notional profit. Okay. Into cash received upon work certified. So 2 by 3 into notional profit is 3 lakh 2,000 and use that shortcut. सीधा ले लो 80% So 3,02,000 into 2 divided by 3 into 80 plus the percentage sign. So 1,61,066.67 कर दो उसको. So make it 1,61,066.67. एक बार देख लो. 1,61,006. अच्छा, there is only 1,6067. 1,61,067. Okay, write it here. Yeah. Yeah. 1,61,067. Balance will go to reserves. Okay. 3,02,000 minus 1,61,067. So 1,40,933. 1,40,933. This will go to reserves. Okay. Okay. Yeah. And this reserves will become opening for the third year. One lakh 40,933. Don't forget all these minute details. Okay. Now close the last year, and again I'm repeating, last year may there is no national profit. Okay. Yeah. So one this plus 15 lakhs 16,40,933. Okay. 16,40,933. Let's see the credit, I mean debit side. Yeah. 11,25,000 plus 20,000 plus 1,26,000 plus 1,70,000 plus 6,000 plus 3,000. Oh, so this side is more. So 14,50,000 minus 16,40,933 minus 16,40,933. So 1,90,933. Okay. And don't forget this will come here. Yeah. 1,90,933. Yeah. So what is this? Entire balance will go to reserves. Don't forget on these things. This entire balance will go to P&L. Okay, very good. So many students calculated the figures. Aditi, Swati, Samhita, shares. Very good. Okay, so my all the 3 years are completed. Okay, yesterday only I told you इसी के नीचे P&L बनाने का practice करो. Yeah, that is always better. So just give a second effect to the P&L entries now. Yeah, see this P&L 4,000 and this इसका second effect दे दो. Yeah. So P&L में डाल दो. Yeah. By contract account. How much? 4,000. Next, second year is how much? 1,61,061. Yeah, right here. 1,61,061. Just give the second effect, now students. We are giving the second effect of this PNL. Okay, in PNL account. Next, 1,90,933. 1,90,933. Okay, that's it. Close this ledger. You'll get the same answer. Close the ledger. Close it. 4,000. Next, 1,61,067. 1,90,933. 4,000. 1,61,067. 1,90,933. Okay, that is the balancing figure. To closing balance, or you can write to net profit. दोनों भी चलेगा. Anyone. Okay. Right. Then come to contractee account. Yeah, attendance screenshot is already taken. Others, and don't be worried about attendance. Yeah, come to contractee account here. Yeah. Opening balance. First year there is no opening balance. Then there is only one entry that comes in contractee account, and that is which entry? Cash receipt. What is the journal entry for cash receipt? We are writing in the books of contractor. So contractor ke money is coming in. So cash bank account debit to contractee account. Okay, this is the journal entry. So write it here. Yeah. Cash received is how much? 80% of work certified. In the question they have said the 3,75,000 by 80%. 3 lakhs. Okay, write it here. 3 lakhs. Okay, 3 lakhs. Then close the first year. Close the first year and take the balance. To closing balance 3 lakhs. Okay, to closing balance 3 lakhs. This closing balance 3 lakhs will become opening balance in the second year. Okay, 3 lakhs closing of 2013 will become 3 lakhs opening of 2014. Okay? Yeah. Then, yeah. As per the question, 11,25,000 is my work certified for the second year. Uska 80% is cash risk. How much? 9 lakh. ठीक है, बट 9 लाख में से 3 लाख तो मुझे मिल चुका है ना फर्स्ट ईयर में. So मुझे और कितना मिलेगा ये साल में? Only 6 lakhs. Is that clear? I repeat, out of this 9 lakhs, 3 lakhs last year I have already received in 2013. So how much more I will receive in the current year, that is second year, only 6 lakhs. So see, right here 9 lakhs closing balance. Yeah, 9 lakhs. Okay. 11,25,000 का 80%. I said na cumulative वाला concept, yes. So 11,25,000 is cumulative. 3 lakhs I've already received cash money last year. So this year I should receive only 6. 9 is the total money received in the second. Okay. Yeah. So then you close this ledger. Second year you close, and then this will be the balancing figure, 6 lakhs. Or vice versa also you can do. Yeah. See, I said na 9 lakhs में से 3 lakhs I have already received in the first year. So this year in the second year, cash received will be only 6 lakhs. Okay. Now this 9 lakh closing will become opening in the third year. Okay. Don't forget these minute details. So write opening balance third year 9 lakhs. Okay. Now listen carefully. This entry 15 lakhs ka, this one, okay, by contractee's account in your contract account, इसका second effect कहीं तो आएगा. Obviously I am making a contractee account ना, तो इसका second effect will come here. See, two contracts 15 lakhs. So one effect we have given in contract account in the third year, second effect will come in contractee account in the third year. Okay. So see, in the third year there is no closing balance of contractee. होगा ही नहीं ना, थर्ड ईयर में तो आप उसका अकाउंट क्लोज कर दोगे, सेटल कर दोगे. ओके. तो ओपनिंग बैलेंस क्या बता रहा है? 9 लाख रुपीज हमें मिल चुका है, 15 दिया मैंने, तो डिफरेंस 15 माइनस 9 इज हाउ मच? 6. तो 6 lakhs I have given in the third year. Okay, this is how you will decide contract. Am I clear till here? Yeah. Am I clear till here? Great. Right? Then the balance sheet extract, the last one. So balance sheet extract, you will complete it. Correct? I am just explaining you how to complete it. Thanks, Riddhi. ठीक है. तो बैलेंस शीट एक्सट्रैक्ट में क्या क्या आएगा? P&L will come. Yes. I got P&L account balances, na? Yeah, 4,000, this, 1, 2, 3, all this. This will come in P&L account. Liability, right? Yeah. Then that's it. इतना ही आएगा. Then assets में क्या क्या आएगा? Fixed assets नहीं है, put a dash. Current assets में debtors है, contractee account balance इधर लिख देना. Closing stock we don't have, so put a dash. Closing WIP we have. Work certified, yes. Uncertified, yes. Cash received also we have, yes. Reserves also we have, yes. And you'll get the answer. Last year there is no calculation. Clear? Okay, clear everyone? So this part you are going to complete.